Start your morning with coriander seed water, your new wellness partner.
It naturally detoxes your body from the inside out.
Flushes extra water and keeps you feeling light. Start of the Klex cloth boosts digestion and removes that heavy morning feeling. Gently upping the bloat. Reduces gas, acidity, and bloating instantly. Helps your metabolism burn fat gently and naturally. Even controls cravings and keeps your appetite in balance.
This supports stable blood sugar and better insulin activity.
Gives you clean, steady energy all day long. Start of the Klex cloth boosts digestion and removes that heavy morning feeling.
Purifies your blood and lowers inflammation.
Antioxidants swelling. Improves skin clarity, glow, and smoothness. Beloved Kid supports hormonal balance, especially for women. Intuitively reduces period bloating and monthly discomfort.
Acidity strengthens immunity with natural antioxidants.
Protects your body from stress and fatigue. One small habit, one big change. Try coriander water tomorrow morning